we tried opening a ramen stall in the countryside in Japan. Kumagaya is my hometown. It's where I was born. It's where I spent a lot of my life as a child, especially during the summertime. One of the things that Kumagaya is actually famous for is for its cherry blossoms. One time of the year, we have the pink cherry blossoms going across the entire Outtakes river. So it's really good fun to be able to go back to my hometown with my own business, with my own team, be able to serve my own ramen. It was a really good feeling. But one thing, I never thought it would go so well, and I never thought that the Japanese locals would be so drunk.
Ramen, ramen, ramen. YouTube. Come on. Liverpool.
So come along with us for a fun day of Japanese food and check out this famous cherry blossom spot. The night before the festival, the team and I drove down to my grandparents' house so that we can have time to prep both the night before and in the morning. Here is the kitchen. I'd say it's pretty classic Japanese kitchen. Here's our chicken bones, getting ready for our soup tomorrow. We've got our ham slicer for the char siu. Okay, let's do some soup. Although we could prep things like noodles and gyoza skins in the restaurant, we needed to make the soup at my grandparents' house, just because if the soup gets moved around, it loses its clarity and does become cloudy. I chose to make a pure chicken chintan base for the ramen so that the pink noodles could really stand out more in the bowl. Aaron and I worked on the soup from around 7 PM until about 12 AM, and I left it on open flame overnight whilst we went to sleep. After we got set up, we started working on making the gyozas, and I had a curious visitor straight away. Konnichiwa! 餃子作ってるんですよね。ああ、英語話せるんですか。
ゆうたちアメリカ人。
ドイツ人とイギリス人。
これそれです。
はい、いいですよ。あ、作れます。これが
シンプル。
指の方。お。
これ一箇所。2箇所。
ああ、すごい簡単にできますね。
No、シンプル。
おお、もらってきます。一緒に入れてきます。おお、習いましたね。
だって私はもうあれだもん、主婦は50年やってんだから。
ああ。
だんだん怠けることを考える。
ああ、じゃあこうやって。
まあ商売がサクセスフルでありますよ。
ああ、はいどうも。
の
一応東京の目黒でやってるんですよね。あ。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。じゃあ、よろしくお願いします。And after some successful and unsuccessful gyoza making,
30 minutes later, this is what we get.
We cooked them and moved on to the ramen. Yeah. For the cherry blossom theme, we got a few toppings ready, including this cherry blossom tea that's made of real cherry blossoms. It looked awesome. Aesthetically, it was great. We tried it out. It was the saltiest thing I've ever had. So salty. I tried to use such a minimal amount just for the aesthetics, so it didn't ruin the flavour. And we also had, how to explain these? They're hard little pellets that are flower shaped. They expand when you put them in hot water, and they will taste a bit like fried tofu. For the rest of the toppings, we had the usual aji tamago, so the ramen eggs, negi, char siu, nori, etc. When we were done setting up, we then waited for a bit. No one actually came by. We tried making a sign to entice people, but that didn't work either.
This guy is the guy.
そこ彼 ラーメン食べてください。ラーメン。
皆さんラーメン食べてください。
友達イギリス人が桜のラーメン作りました。YouTube 出ますよ。YouTube。カモン。ラーメン。タラです。
麺とかも全部ピンクにしたんですよ。
すげえ。
最初のラーメン。はい、最初、はい、開けていいですか。ちょっと熱いかもしれないけど。はい。
見えない。
めっちゃ見えるよ。
あ、いいですか。So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy like when we make all these kind of weird ramens. We've made chocolate ramen before, we made Setsuman demon ramen, roasting a ramen. They've all tasted shit. This one tastes good. So I'm glad the first time we did an experimental ramen that I served my hometown people was a good feeling. And I'm glad it was actually a good ramen. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Please follow along for the next one. Arigatou. You know what? 昨日は結構
ババラーメン。
はい、うちのじいちゃんばあちゃん、まあ家族の名前がババで。
ババ is old lady。
ババじゃなくて。
ホース
ババ。何しに？
あ、頑張れ。パリ？
ハリーじゃないぞ。イギリスはロンドンだろ。リバプール。
Alright, so my family home. My great grandfather built it. No. I think it's about 65 years, maybe more. I think it was over 80 years old actually. So yeah, I think it's around. No, that's not right. No, that's not right. Scratch that.